doing an elephant version of this.
Just like you, who have trusted what can you live with?
Elouflage. I should have put birds in the background like that, just hidden. Oh fuck, that would have been good. Background. Okay. I'm gonna make this a pink elephant, more like the original. More like the original. This guy is coming with me. Oh, fucking auto select. Oh my fucking god. Why is the elephant so small? Can't take it from that artwork.
Customize your new home, your skyrocketing. Lock in now with First Style's exclusive price freeze guarantee.
That's just how big it is.
Okay.
I'm trying to tidy up the background. Original photo.
Versus.
Colored in. I'm not using this because it's too different to the first one, but I really like it. I like that.
The music is amazing because it's music.
It is hiding, motherfucker. I was thinking, right? Imagine the bird, and then like you zoom out, and then you see the elephant, and we zoom out, and then I'm gonna do a different one with the giraffe. Ooh, actually, how's that gonna work? I'd have to do the giraffe on top. Yeah. Zoom in. Alright, now I'm doing a giraffe in the next one.